So today, we're exploring Bamberg, Germany, one of Germany's most beautiful medieval towns. By the way, Bamberg is an absolutely stunning Franconian gem of a town, known for its preserved architecture, and of course, some of the best beers you'll ever drink. But unfortunately, we only got a few hours to spare here in Bamberg, so let's hurry up and explore this town. So come along and keep on watching. Okay, cheers, hon.
Thanks, son.
Another city, another vlog. We are currently at Bamberg here in Germany. Check this out. The vibe here is immaculate. It's so nice. I love it. Do you like the vibe here? Is the vibe here vibing?
Vibrant.
Vibrant? Hui! Bruh. So this city is only about like 45 minutes to an hour away from where we just came from, Nuremberg. But the name of the city is called Bamberg. We'll first go to Rendsburg, then Nuremberg, and then Bamberg. That's our itinerary for today. We visited 3 places. My favorite has to be this one, Bamberg. So yeah, if you're ever in Munich, make sure you come here. Definitely worth a visit. My God, guys, I love the vibe here. Everyone's so chill. Everyone's just drinking, standing, talking. Everyone's just having a good time. My kind of vibe. My God, I can't believe I'm gonna say this. I feel like I like this city more than Munich. It's crazy. Really, the vibe here is like so dope. Beyond comprehension. It's so good. This is one of the best old towns I've ever been to. I love this place. Okay, I'll take it back. I love Munich better, but this is one of my favorite old towns I've ever been to. But Munich is still on top of the list. So check this out, guys. This is like the little Venice of Germany. I really love this little city. So I'm trying to take it all in. Because you know what? Who knows when I'll be back, right? I'd like to think I'll be back soon at some point.
Coming. Hey, what's up?
When in Germany, let's have beer, right? Yeah. How's your gelato?
Busted. You know what? I kind of want
German sausage.
What pastries are there? These are good.
Oh, cheers.
The menu, I want to see what pastries.
All right, guys, we just got here at our hotel, B&B Hotel. Here's our luggage, and my brother-in-law's over there trying to check in. Wow.
Can I
Nice.
show you my bed?
Room tour.
This is my bed.
This is your bed. Wow. So nice. That's so cool.
Yup.
So this is my family's room. Let's check out their bathroom.
It's very
Kind of similar to mine. Okay guys, so this is where the hotel where we're staying, and that is actually their room, the third floor, corner room. So I just came out here just to see what's out here. This is what it looks like outside. Actually, it looks really nice, super clean too. I'm gonna go back in, I'm gonna get some rest, and I think I'm gonna end the vlog here. Hope you enjoyed watching this video. Don't forget to like, subscribe. I'm outie. So I made it back here in the room. So those were the 3 places we visited today. First was Regensburg, second was Nuremberg, and then the third one was Bamberg. That was my favorite place. So if you're ever in Munich, make sure you check out those places as well. Really nice places, most especially Bamberg. Highly recommend it. You must add that to your bucket list places to visit. So I'm gonna end the vlog here. I'm outie. Deuces.